Good afternoon, Ice Cream Ninja Nation. This is your big homie, Fat Boy Jim, with another 2010 BMW 535i with the X-Drive, the turbo, the straight six, a bunch of stuff Fat Boy Jim don't know about. Okay, so I want to be clear, guys. I am not the BMW guy. This car has been spoken for by a special little ninja. Boy, I wish she would just ask me to build a hot rod. It's a beautiful car. It's a beautiful car. And I've been slowly gathering up parts to put it back together. It does run, and it does drive great. There's no doubt about that. So we're going to try to set you guys where you can see, hopefully. And a subscriber had told me to, well, okay, let's try this. A subscriber had told me to disconnect. Hopefully you can see that. And what it does is it charges the battery. Okay, now it's like a smart charger, I guess. So we're going to see how this actually works. If we can get this tightened up. And hopefully, we had a no start situation. Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah, there we go. This ratchet's a little busted up. Okay, so that should get us a connection. And from what I understand, if we disconnect the smart charging system, computer generated charging system, however you want to put it, it should go into some type of default program and allow the car to start. Subscriber, I'd like to give him a shout out. Slavic, I believe is how you pronounce it. If not, I am completely apologetic. Could be just a viewer. I'm not sure. We'd like him to subscribe. He's pretty smart. But he's the one that gave me the tip on what to do and what was going on. So, without further ado, let's see. Accept. Okay. Foot on brake. Key and ignition, not possible unit. Oil lever measurement, not possible until service required. Vehicle status. Says the key's in the ignition. It don't go in that way, does it? we've still got a no start. I don't understand. Vehicle status. Boy. I don't get it. Well, definitely not the issue. So, even though this is a fail, you BMW guys, maybe give me a shout out. Let me know what you think. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this. I know this is not the correct battery. So you can leave that out of the comments. Okay. Well, just a short video on the BMW. Another fail. We'll get with Ninja Nick, see what he thinks about it, and try it again. I sure appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Have a great day.